Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding the troublesome page quickly. Open Draft View or the navigation pane so you can jump to the page. This saves time. Once there, turn on Show /Hide to reveal paragraph marks and section breaks so you know what's keeping the page visible. Next, double-click the header or footer to expose the header/footer controls and check if Link to Previous is active. This tells you whether deleting content will affect adjacent sections. Now you remove the content and the invisible blockers. Select stray paragraphs, table rows, or images and delete them. Use Shift+click for precise ranges. If the page persists, go to Draft View and find a section break. Place your cursor before it and press Delete to join sections. If headers or footers differ across sections, turn off Link to Previous in Header Tools so you can delete a header without changing the prior section. Once done, the page should collapse. Finish by verifying the result in print layout. Make sure page numbers update correctly. If a blank page still appears, select the final paragraph mark and reduce spacing or set its font size to 1. This removes a stubborn empty page while preserving flow. If headers/footers still misbehave, unlink and recreate them for that section. As a last resort, export to PDF or copy the content into a new document. That often strips problematic formatting and resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.